Okay, my name is Rose Zarsky, address 2405 Memorial Drive. I've been a sick bank coordinator for this district for the past 3 years. Sick bank was adopted to cover teachers until long-term disability kicked in due to the lack of short-term disability coverage. Each teacher has the option to voluntarily donate one of their own accumulated sick days towards sick bank, and in turn is able to draw from sick bank due to illness when their days run out. In the past 3 years, we have had teachers use sick bank for maternity, breast cancer treatment, heart attack recovery, surgery, and other long-term treatments. These teachers would not only have suffered severe health ailments, they would have also had to endure financial hardships during these difficult financial times. As I stated earlier, our district does not offer any type of short-term disability. The NBA, along with the district, developed this plan to remedy this without any additional cost to the employer. We currently have teachers who are relying on sick bank to help them this year until they are able to return to work. We request that you allow sick bank to operate as it has been and provide the financial security it does for teachers who are dealing with these severe health concerns. Thank you.